and it is day 4 of our trip. We are headed to the beach. We're gonna go to the T-Mobile district, and we're also gonna go kayaking.
Día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer. ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será? Y por todo yo brindo, desde lo feo hasta lo lindo. Tú eres una prueba que el mundo a mí nunca me brindó. Quería casarme, yo tan loco en ilusionarme, creyendo en tus besos y tus caricias. La verdad no fue el culpable. Ay, todo tiene un propósito y dejarme será solo uno más. Siempre a medias no he logrado encontrar mi otra mitad. El tiempo dirá, el tiempo dirá. Y cuando lo encuentre de ti no me voy a acordar. El día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será?
Okay, so we just got out of the taxi and the guy ran off the road, and I'm just happy to be alive. Next time we need to take another taxi. I don't want to ride with him anymore.
There was a big sign that said District Old T-Mobile. I don't know where
Okay.
that sign is.
I saw it. I saw the sign. All right, so we're at the T-Mobile district, and we're about to eat for Tasha's birthday. Oh, Tasha, happy birthday! Woo! Guys, it's day 5 and we are about to go kayaking. So we walked 6 minutes and we just made it.
Okay.
So this is very close.
Name, signature on the other side. Once you're ready, guys, go ahead and
Hello.
grab life jackets over there. If you have anything that you want to make sure does not get wet, you can just give it to us and we'll lock it down for you guys. Okay? Free of charge. We are gonna take our company phone with us to take pictures of you guys during the tour. At the end, we'll just airdrop free of charge as well. Okay? This is all included in your tour. So, if you do want to lock anything down, just let me know. I'll lock it down for you guys. And if you do want to bring anything, you can do that. Just remember it's on your own risk. Okay?
No.
Yeah, like that's a really, really rare occasion.
Okay, this shouldn't come today.
Not today, right?
It's completely gray all throughout, so really interesting to have visitors today. Manatees are in danger of extinction though, so it's really important that we try and keep them safe. So that means no touching, no feeding them pizza or any of that cool stuff that we usually give
No
our
pizza.
dogs. But yeah, this is also our office, so we try to keep the sea life safe and the water clean, obviously, because we like our jobs a lot and we don't want to get in trouble with the authorities. Apart from that, we also get jellyfishes, stingrays, starfishes, pretty much anything that you would see on SpongeBob, you'll find it here too, guys.
And they come in through that way.
Yeah, they can come in through both of those tunnels right there, because that actually connects to the ocean, which gives, you know, other types of animals opportunity to come in. So yeah, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start to paddle in that direction, it's getting closer to the right, so just follow us.
Okie
You guys
dokie.
can start to follow us now.
Yeah, we going under this tunnel here.
Okay.
Don't laugh at me. I'm just trying to be helpful. This is beautiful, and we can see the water's clear. I hope we see some marine life. You guys really like us. Beautiful. Right. Right. Okay. Straight.
Yeah, sir.
Right, right.
Oh, look, there's another iguana.
Right. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Stop.
I can't.
Oh, that was a crash.
Yeah.
Here you are.
I
don't want to tip her over. Ooh, this feels...
Which you're about to.
No, I'm about to grab on this. Oh, I need your help. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh, I got it. Thank you.
It. Nice. Oh, yeah.
Whew.
Hold on to that.
You got it.
Got it.
I'm wet.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Have a good one.
That was fun. It was just enough. Tasha followed good directions, so we made a good team this time. This is the last day of our trip. I am about to check out and head home. As you can see, I am leaving all this beauty in the background. And don't forget to wish me and Tasha a happy birthday. Scorpio season. We are a true vibe, and no one can compete with the Scorpios. I'm sorry. Period. So again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.